This is a custom vacuum solution for a robotic arm manufacturer. They needed a system to work seamlessly with their robots. We recommended our Wordfik VD Series dry rotary vane pump and created a 3D animation to show how it works. For large robotic arms, the vacuum pump is mounted on the arm itself, working in sync. For compact systems, our pump can be integrated inside the robot, delivering steady, reliable vacuum. Robotic vacuum handling serves a wide range of industries: pharmaceutical, handling tablets and vaccine vials; food packaging, transporting various food products and eggs; metalworking, moving machine parts; precision electronics, semiconductor chips, PCB boards, glass substrates; industrial panels, glass, metal sheets, wood. Small components or large sheets, Wordfik VD Series delivers clean, reliable vacuum power. Wordfik Vacuum, your partner in vacuum solutions.